Price is trading 7% below the local high of $66,508 reached on September 27th. But some analysts are optimistic that this correction could just be a reset of key metrics as BTC prepares for massive gains in the last quarter of 2024. Bitcoin is near all-time highs, yet the valuation metrics have all declined from extreme overbought in March to around 17 to 75% on a 4-year Z-score. Jamie Coutts, chief crypto analyst at Real Vision, said in an October 1st post on X. Coutts was referring to an on-chain metric called the Market Value Realized Value (MVRV) Z-score, which shows the market value's relative position to realized value, which was -116% on the 3-month timeframe, -94% over a 2-year period, and -107% on the 4-year timeframe. This suggests that Bitcoin is extremely undervalued on multiple timeframes. The analyst also explained that Bitcoin's open interest OI is high, a key metric that investors use to assess market sentiment and anticipate future price movements. The perpetual futures OI has stood 800% higher over the last 4 years. Global liquidity is accelerating to the upside, Coutts also noted, adding that the pullback witnessed over the last 6 months has removed the excess bullishness from the market, positioning and creating the reset required for a major move higher. A report by independent analyst Lynn Alden reveals that Bitcoin price is historically correlated to global liquidity, with BTC value generally rising when liquidity expands and correcting when global liquidity shrinks. The chart below shows that Bitcoin's price exhibited a correlation of 0.94 with global liquidity between May 2013 and July 2024. Indicating a very strong positive relationship. Additional data from CoinGlass shows that Bitcoin recorded the greenest ever September in history, closing 7.29% higher on September 30th. This has led to speculations among traders and analysts regarding how Bitcoin might perform during the last quarter of 2024, which is both a Bitcoin halving year and a U.S. election year. Bitcoin's performance tends to be significantly weaker during U.S. election years compared to non-election years, Bitcoin analyst Timothy Peterson said in his latest analysis on X. Peterson attributes this weakness to increased uncertainties surrounding election outcomes, which creates market volatility and drives more cautious behavior among investors. Bitcoin reacts sharply to this uncertainty, resulting in either muted or negative returns. Peterson explained that Bitcoin price could, however, record more gains in November and December as investors get a clearer picture of the effects of political outcomes. Centralized exchanges remain frequent targets for crypto hackers, leading to significant losses month after month. In September, crypto exchanges BingX and Indodax accounted for more than half of the losses. Investors believe multilateral development banks, like the World Bank Group (WBG), play a vital role in fostering institutional capital flows into emerging markets, EM. They are more likely to invest if WBG offers legal reforms, research, first loss facilities, and guarantees. The WBG has scaled up initiatives to meet these needs. Meanwhile, China's Belt and Road Initiative, BRI, has become a key force in global development, focusing on infrastructure, trade, and financial integration. Since its launch, the BRI has signed over 200 cooperation agreements, creating impactful projects that promote regional peace, stability, and common prosperity without geopolitical interference. Please like, share, and subscribe.